padayon.
Guys, kami karoon sa shooters. Pagdala.
First, I talk to our advisor to understand the proper steps. Then
Maldito.
Ay, wait na. Ano naman?
4, 3, go. Pagdating mo ba?
Imagine another situation. A big event is coming up, but two committees are arguing and not working well together. What would you do?
Go.
this one is like
Ayaw ka tawag.